very meta. Look at the sleepy peepers.
Squirmies. I think she finally found the sweet spot.
Hey, you're up.
Need sleep.
What time is it?
I don't know, like 3 something. Need sleep. Baby won't sleep. She's like cuddled up on me like a little monkey. She's burrowed in like a tick. I'll just fall asleep on her.
I know, right?
Wake her up when she starts. I'll wake up when she starts screaming.
You gotta love those curls right there. Look, she represents the Lollipop Guild. Oh, sleepy princess.
I'll survive off baby brains. Such tasty, fresh brains.
No. She's just staring at the camera.
Her eyes are open?
They open and close.
Ish.